Welcome back, traders, stackers, and truthers. Silver Gold Man here. We're Sunday, March 18, 2018. All right, traders. So, not sure if you had an opportunity to see the video here just 7 hours ago. Bitcoin bottoms, reversals is when I love to buy. Well, folks, I think I just called the bottom on the Bitcoin. I kid you not. And wait till you see the prediction I've got coming to you. And this guy actually has a track record like myself. So, that's kind of interesting. And I love his index. Did you see that index? Did you see it? It was posted on the forum. Let's get into that right away. But first, the plunge. Oh boy. So I had to share with you folks here the bottom. I forgot to mention it. But the low on Sunday was 7,335. I mentioned in my video we're already at 7,588. And by the time, just a couple of minutes later, we're already at 7,610. That's what was happening. I happened to be making a video just as she was starting her breakout. So, right back up to 8,238. But the plunge, what was the plunge? The plunge was caused by, that's right, reports that Twitter is now going to join Facebook and Google and ban cryptocurrency ads. Wow. The New World Order corporations are doing everything they can to hide the cryptos from the average person. And it doesn't matter. If anyone watched my videos in 2017, one of the things I was really talking about near the end of the year and also in January of 2018 is the chart, the adoption rate of new technology. So you may recall that what I was pointing out was that the fact that in the olden days, new technology was much slower to be caught on by the, this chart here is based upon percentage of U.S. population. So I was pointing out how by the 80s, take a look at how cell phone and the internet, how quickly they rose up. And essentially we're at that same point. I considered it like the cell phone of the 80s. Only a certain group of us had the cryptocurrencies, or I should say, had the cell phones back then. My mother was one of them, had her white Cadillac, white leather seats with her cell phone here, so she could call us up on her way from work and, hi, how you doing? Just got off work. Nothing else really to say, but she was all happy because she finally had a cell phone in her car. Long story short, that's the same situation we are right now. We can kind of brag, hey, we've got our cryptos. Man, we made a killing here. So we're not even a year 1990 into cryptos as far as I'm concerned. When you compare it to the chart of the cell phone, which is the dark dotted line, we're just in a very opening stage. Watch out. This is going to go parabolic. So 2018, we're on our way. And I believe that's what's going on with all the cryptocurrency ad bans. They have to ban it. They have no choice, folks. It's catching on. So this latest prediction, you're going to love this one. It's going to leave you scratching your head. Yeah, Tom Lee predicts Bitcoin to reach 91,000 91,000 by March 2020, only 2 years away, based on performances after past dips. You're going to love this one. Okay, folks, so Tom Lee, I'm not sure if you saw the chart, but I'll share with you what I have posted on the forum because he's got more than one chart here. He says here that Bitcoin's price will reach 91,000 by 2020, according to this chart of his that tracks. That's right. It used the average of the percentage gained in price after each dip. How do you like them apples? So that's his prediction, 91,000. I'm going to share with you what I have on the forum here. So over at connectingdots1.com, I posted something here on Thursday, March 15. Time to buy Bitcoin, says the BMI. So the Bitcoin BMI is actually the Bitcoin Misery Index. That's right. It turns out that Thomas Lee here from Fundstrat Global Advisors has developed a contrarian index that lets investors know how miserable Bitcoin holders are based on the current prices. Yeah, the misery attracts your misery. So it turns out when they're feeling very miserable, that's the best time to go in and buy. How do you like them apples? So I'm hoping he's correct because I'll feel pretty gosh darn good having made the video, caught the bottom again, and here we go. Even right now, as I speak, guys, Bitcoin is still up at what? 8,256. So she's looking good, looking good. In fact, just looking at that, that looks like a consolidation. She's looking like she's ready to break out again. Don't be surprised by the time you listen to this, this thing, the Bitcoin is already sitting higher. That looks like a consolidation flag. She's looking raring to go. I almost want to sit here and just catch this thing, but I'm not sure if I'll if this is it. Yes, this is looking like this could be it right here. But I don't want to, keep you guys on hold, so it could be a few more minutes, and my chance it will be a few more minutes, and I can only make 10-minute videos. So I'm going to end it here and let you guys know that in the year 2020, you've got something to look forward to. Looks like Tom Lee, if he's correct, Bitcoin will be sitting around 91,000. Now, oddly enough, my prediction for by near term 2018 was $45,000. Will we make it? I hope so. At this point, they're doing everything they can to ban them, so it's going to be quite tough. How are we going to get the word out, especially now that the SEC is coming down on even YouTubers of making videos on ICOs. They're going to be watching them like a hawk. They've already said they're watching social media platforms, so it's going to be surprisingly hard, I think, for a lot of Americans to make videos on the cryptocurrencies. However, if you're Canadian like myself, we're not regulated, so you might see a flush of Canadian YouTubers coming out onto the market just to make videos on cryptocurrencies. Anyways, I'm going to end the video here, and yeah, up and away.